The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and robotics is set to significantly transform various industries. As machines become more efficient, many jobs that rely on repetitive, structured tasks are expected to be replaced by automation. This article explores 10 jobs that are particularly vulnerable to being replaced by AI and robotics. 1. Manufacturing and assembly line workers. In the manufacturing sector, AI and robotics have already begun transforming production processes. Robots can now handle tasks such as packaging, quality control, and welding with greater efficiency than human workers. Automation offers many benefits, including speed, precision, and the ability to operate continuously without breaks, which reduces labor costs and errors. Additionally, robots can work in dangerous environments, making them ideal for hazardous tasks. The rise of automation is expected to significantly reduce the number of traditional manufacturing jobs, with low-skilled workers facing the greatest impact. While new roles in robot maintenance and programming will emerge, these often require specialized training that many displaced workers may not have. 2. Retail cashiers. AI is rapidly transforming the retail industry, particularly with the introduction of self-checkout systems and automated payment solutions. These technologies allow customers to handle transactions without needing human cashiers. The shift towards automation is driven by cost reduction and convenience. Automated checkout systems speed up transactions and reduce labor costs for retailers. Moreover, they can operate 24/7, enhancing customer service availability. As self-checkout becomes more common, the demand for traditional cashier jobs is expected to decline sharply, leading to significant job losses for low-wage workers in retail. 3. Drivers and delivery workers. Autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize the transportation industry. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are being developed by companies like Uber and Amazon to reduce reliance on human drivers. Autonomous vehicles offer greater efficiency by operating continuously without rest and improving safety by minimizing human error. As self-driving technology becomes mainstream, millions of drivers and delivery workers could lose their jobs, particularly in sectors like trucking and ride-hailing services. While some opportunities may arise in vehicle maintenance and AI oversight, these roles require new skills that displaced workers may not possess. Warehouse workers. AI and robotics are increasingly being adopted in warehouses to streamline operations. Companies like Amazon use robots to pick, pack, and sort items, optimizing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Automation in warehousing is driven by the need for speed and scalability. Robots can handle tasks much faster than human workers and operate without breaks, making them more efficient during peak periods. As AI and robotics become more widespread in warehouses, many low-wage jobs will be eliminated. While there will be new opportunities for workers skilled in managing robotic systems, these positions often require technical expertise that many displaced workers do not have. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service by handling a wide range of inquiries, from basic questions to more complex problems. These AI systems operate 24/7, providing constant support and reducing the need for human representatives. They also handle multiple inquiries simultaneously, improving efficiency and cutting costs for businesses. As more companies adopt AI-driven customer service solutions, the demand for human customer service representatives will decline. This trend will particularly affect low-wage workers in the service industry, as many traditional roles are automated. Telemarketers. Telemarketing is another industry vulnerable to automation, with AI systems increasingly being used to make calls, pitch products, and handle customer interactions. AI-driven telemarketing systems are highly efficient, capable of handling large volumes of calls and personalizing pitches based on customer data. This level of efficiency significantly reduces labor costs for businesses. As AI takes over routine telemarketing tasks, many telemarketer jobs will disappear, particularly in regions where this industry is a significant source of employment. Although some opportunities may exist in managing AI systems, these roles will require skills that many displaced workers may not have. 7. Accountants and bookkeepers. AI is rapidly automating routine accounting tasks such as data entry, financial reporting, and tax preparation. AI systems can process large amounts of financial data more quickly and accurately than human accountants, offering real-time insights into a company's financial health. The need for efficiency and accuracy is driving the automation of accounting tasks, leading to a reduction in the demand for traditional accountants and bookkeepers. While more complex roles that require decision-making may still exist, entry-level accounting jobs will likely decline as AI takes over repetitive tasks. Bank tellers. AI and digital banking platforms are reducing the need for traditional bank tellers. Customers are increasingly turning to online banking, mobile apps, and AI-powered customer service systems to manage their accounts without visiting physical branches. AI-driven chatbots can also assist with more complex inquiries such as loan applications and investment advice. As more banking services move online, the demand for bank tellers is expected to decrease significantly, leading to job losses in the financial sector. Travel agents. AI platforms like Expedia and Google Flights have made it easier for consumers to book their own travel arrangements, reducing the need for traditional travel agents. These platforms can analyze data from millions of flights, hotels, and vacation packages to provide personalized recommendations. The shift towards AI-powered travel booking is driven by the convenience and cost savings it offers consumers. As a result, traditional travel agent roles are declining, with most routine travel bookings being handled by AI systems. Only specialized travel services may still require human agents. Fast food workers. Fast food restaurants are increasingly adopting robotics and AI-powered systems to automate tasks such as cooking, assembling, and serving food. Companies like McDonald's are experimenting with robots that can flip burgers, fry chicken, and even take orders. These systems work faster and more consistently than human workers, leading to improved customer service and reduced labor costs. As automation expands in the fast food industry, many entry-level jobs will be eliminated, particularly affecting low-wage workers. While there may be new opportunities for managing robotic systems, these roles often require advanced technical skills. AI and robotics are reshaping industries and transforming the workforce by replacing millions of jobs, particularly in sectors like manufacturing, retail, transportation, and customer service. While AI offers significant benefits in terms of efficiency and cost savings, it also presents challenges, particularly for low-wage workers who are at risk of displacement. Reskilling and education programs will be critical in helping displaced workers transition to new roles in an AI-driven economy. The future of work will require adaptability, and individuals will need to embrace new technologies to succeed in a rapidly changing job market.